Yes. So আজি মই এইটো কাৰণে আহিছোঁ ইয়াতে. And this will be the workshop at Vivanta by Taj.
This session is all about Autocad specialized toolset. Before running into that, I have one small question. As a designer, to all the designers who are still working in PDF drawing to DWG conversion, you can slowly, no, you can speak. Yes, that is a hectic moment, right? I in Autocad, that is around 68%. Electrical toolset. Definitely we are having this automation industry, so if any of your friends who are into automation industries, we can just share this. If you're not still utilizing, you can speak this. So that is a difference here. That is a time where we can find most of the designers